Gracie is selling picture frames and wants to compute the areas of each of the frames that she sells. One of the frames measures 1/2 foot wide and 3/8 or 3 8/10 feet long. What is the area of this size of picture frame? Well, most of you remember that finding the area is just base times height. So we have those measurements. We have 1/2, we have 3.8. The thing is, one is a fraction, one's a decimal. So how do we convert these? It's best to turn them into decimals. You see your answer choices are all in decimals, and they're a little easier to work with when you multiply, and then certainly because your answer is in decimals, you're going to have to make a conversion anyways. So we know we have 3.8 here, and then 1/2. 1/2 is the same as 0.5 or 0.50. So by multiplying here by 0.5, we can go ahead and get our answer. So move decimal out one space each. This is back to operations with rational numbers, which we started the year off with. And so just reviewing the concept. 5 times 8 is 40. Put a 0, carry a 4. 5 times 3 is 15, 16, 17, 18. 19 is what you get. Answer is not 190. I need to come back 2 decimal places. 1, 2. Actually looks more like 1 9/10, which is answer choice A. And the reason that your answer is actually smaller than what you start with is because you multiply 3.8, 3 8/10, by 1/2, by half of 1. So 3.8 times just 1 would get you 3.8. But if you're multiplying it by half of that, you're really just cutting this number in half. And that's why you're getting 1.9 or 1 9/10 when you multiply.